Hey, what's up? Today we are going to look at Samsung Portable SSD T7 500GB. This SSD is come in 3 different sizes, 500GB, 1TB and 2TB, and come with 3 color options: blue, red and silver. So basically, this SSD is quite small. The size is quite similar with the standard card size. The SSD comes with a USB 3.2 Type-C and an indicator light. And USB-C to C and USB-C to A cable is come with the box. So this is USB-C to A cable, and this is C to C cable. And the quality of USB cable is quite nice. We can hear the locking sound when we plug in. Now we perform the performance test with Blackmagic Disk Speed Test utility. We can see that the writing speed is go up to 1100 and stabilize around 800, and the reading speed is around 700, which is a bit slow compared to the speed print on the box, which is 1050. This is the tool to manage Samsung Portable SSD. We can lock the SSD with this tool. And we can turn off the security modes with our password.